just usually tee shots, or you do a little bit of this and that?
What I usually do is a tee shot and just set it up so I can submit it. Just in case somebody makes a birdie. Oh, good hit. A little left.
It's all right.
On.
It's safe up there. It's ugly, but it's safe. I'm sure that grass ain't the greatest over there right now.
Last week.
Bad angle to the green, that's all.
Yeah, cut that.